So this is my tools panel. This is my timeline where all of my footages will be imported, all of my audios as well as other elements would be brought in for edit. This is my audio panel. When audio would be inserted, the bars would be shown here and it would animate accordingly to the audio frequency. This is my program, or rather it is also known as program monitor. This screen would basically show the final edit which is there in our timeline. The video which is placed here or which it would run here would play here in the program monitor. Now just clicking here, I just double clicked here. So this is my source window. I can just hit space bar to play the window on the source window. Note, this video is being played from the video which has been imported in our project panel. I'll just hit space bar. Yeah, so this entire footage is of around 2 hours 13 minutes, and right now coming to this is the time. We can just click anywhere we want to. This source window is basically like what kind or from what timing we would like to import our video to the timeline, rather than importing the entire footage, say of around 30 minutes or 15 minutes. So we can just choose here, we can just select our timing here, and then we can take this to our timeline. So yeah, we would do that. And here this is fit. Right now this one is showing us fit 10%. These are the different kinds of views which you would like to have, 50%, 75%. So we would rather be on fit, which shows the entire actual video. This is drag video only, drag audio only, and this is for suppose if you only want to drag video, then it would only drag the video to your timeline and not the audio. And this goes vice versa. This would only drag the audio and not the video.